I think the lending aspect of it is a little bit of a tale of two cities. Certainly, the failure of some of the, I'll call them technology-driven banks. I think that was isolated. I think if you look at the larger owners of commercial real estate, a good deal of their debt is fixed. We have over half of our debt. Interest rates are fixed. But the real issue is the credit markets are essentially frozen right now, right? It's not a question of how much can you lend. It's a question is there dollars available, particularly when one looks at both retail and office. And more often than not today, we're doing amend and extend as opposed to new debt.
And in terms of due, there is $270 billion in commercial real estate loans held by banks due this year. There's $1.5 trillion due to banks in the next 2 years. If you were in office, which you are not, you were at one point in your career, how would your level of concern change?
I'd be a bit more concerned than I am now. I think the situation in offices, we've seen a major behavioral shift in tenants, the work from home. I mean, Philadelphia, as an example, we're below 50% occupied in terms of people who come to work, and our vacancy rate is north of 20%. I think as leases roll over, that will become even more pronounced. It will worsen. And office buildings, the reconciliation is to come. We feel like in the retail sector, we've been through it. We've come through COVID. We've come through customers are shopping. They actually shop through inflation and recession. I think the office business is a little bit of a different business right now, and one where the future has a fairly big question mark.